I fell for your magic. I tasted your skin. And though this is tragic, at least I found the end. I witnessed your madness. You shed light on my sins. And if we share in this sadness, then where have you been? I know you're not in love like you used to be. Guess I'm not the one like you used to think. So you just I'm not that stuck in this misery. Guess I'm not enough like you used to think. So I'll just you bathe in your victory. You blew out all my fuse. And if I took on the planet, will I pay my dues? Your love